Now I have said that all of these write commands are typically used in a script to let the user know what's going on. In this case, we have to use a script in order to demonstrate it. This is the Write-Progress command. This actually displays a progress bar as you loop through something to let the user know how far along it is. Now we're going to put this into a script, and let's talk about what this script does. I'm going to open up my PowerShell ISE, and I already have this script typed in and tested so that we can get going on it. So here's what it's going to do. It's going to make a variable called events, and in that variable it's going to go to the event log, get event log and the system log, and put all that into events. Now remember that when we do this, each event in that log is going to be a separate item in this parameter, or excuse me, in this variable. All right, I have to think of the right words there as I'm talking here. Then we're going to clear out the host and then set a variable I equal to 0. And then we're going to call the process parameter of the for each object. Now remember the for each object, we're going to put this in a script block. So before we do that, we're going to set I equal to 0, and then we're going to start looping through all of these system event logs here. And if the message property of that log has the word install in it, then we're going to add that to the message property of a variable called out. And then we're going to increment I and loop through it again. Alright, now we get to the command that we're interested in, the Write-Progress. So we're going to Write-Progress, and then the activity parameter here is just a header. So that's just a label over the progress bar so that we know what it's doing. And then the status property, or parameter I should say, is also going to output something. It's going to tell the user what the status is. And then the %complete just tells us how far along that progress bar is. So let's give this thing a try. I'm going to click the Run button up here, and it's going to take a moment for it to get started and clear everything out, and there it goes. So here's our searching events, which we saw up here, our progress, which we saw right here, and then the %complete, which we're seeing along that progress bar as it goes along. We'll pause for a minute while this thing completes it. Okay, we're coming up on the end now. Let's see what our output looks like. And there it is. And so we have all the services that have the word install in the message property of that, not services, I'm sorry, all the events in the system event log that have install in the message property. And there they are.